Ready to transform your Instagram stories from static posts into vibrant, interactive conversations? Meet the Add Yours sticker, your secret weapon for boosting engagement and building a real community on Instagram. It's surprisingly simple. First, open up your Instagram camera and take a photo or video for your story, or choose one from your gallery. Now, tap that friendly sticker icon at the top of your screen. Scroll through the sticker options until you find the one that says Add Yours. Once you tap it, you can customize the prompt. Think of it as inviting your followers to join in on a fun theme. For example, you could ask for your go-to coffee order, a photo of your workspace, or your favorite book cover. Once you've crafted your engaging prompt, simply place the sticker anywhere on your story and share it. Now, here's the magic: when your followers see your story, they can tap that sticker to add their own photo or video directly to your Add Yours thread. This creates a dynamic chain of content, allowing everyone to participate and see each other's contributions. You'll see your engagement skyrocket as more people join the conversation and share their own unique perspectives. It's a fantastic way to build a stronger sense of community and get your audience actively involved. So next time you're creating an Instagram story, don't just post, connect with Add Yours. Connect your community with Add Yours.